I've tried to search for information related to some new experiments on basic chemistry. I also look for its feasibility, lab procedure, literature review, and scholarly sources from Google. But there are way too much information.
Let's seek help from Professor Cheong. Hi, Professor Yeung. We found a lot of information, but don't know how to kickstart our project.
You can visit a few places to look for an experiment to work on, such as browsing books with title like Undergraduate Chemistry Laboratory Experiments. Also, I highly recommend you to review the general chemistry manual you used before.
How can we identify whether an existing experiment could be improved?
Good question. You can find some in-depth information from academic databases like Web of Science. There are lots of information to support your idea. Just like this journal, it covers many relevant topics.
That's very useful.
Don't overlook the feasibility while you outline the research proposal. For example, you have to check whether the reagents are extremely dangerous to handle and whether any new instruments are needed.
Can we submit a written proposal on the Gen Chem Lab enhancement only?
No, you have to carry out the design experiment and test its feasibility, scalability, and repeatability, so as to make sure the new experiment can be carried out in the setting of our department.
That's interesting.
Remember to submit the literature review, the experimental proposal, and the experiment procedure as well.
Got it. Any good places that we can share our experiment with others?
There are lots of possible ways to share your great research, such as attending research seminars and conferences. If your new experiment is well received by our department, we can publish your work in the journal as well.